I'm going to demonstrate how to use Orbitool deburring tools to deburr intersecting holes. The Orbitool cutter is mounted in a cordless grinder. Notice how I move the tool in and out, holding it lightly. I'm not paying attention to where the edge is. The tool will find it and deburr without damaging the adjacent surfaces. It's important to move in this fashion because the tool is flexible. If we try to follow the edge of the burr with the tool, the results will not be as good. Also note that the tool is only started and stopped inside the hole. Starting the tool outside of the hole may result in tool damage and operator injury. Now I'm going to deburr a practice block with exposed intersections to demonstrate the actual material removal.